We all get into stressful situations from time to time, so it's not about eliminating stress from our lives, but about how we manage it and react to it. Get into a comfortable position. When you are stressed, you cannot focus. So on the other hand, when you focus, you cannot be stressed. So let's take 3 big deep breaths now and pay attention to how each breath feels. 1. Breathe in as much as you can. And exhale, allowing relaxation to come to you. 2. Inhale deeply. Exhale, feeling even more relaxed. 3. Last breath. And exhale, feeling much more relaxed than you did when you started. Great. Breathing with intention is a powerful tool in changing your state of mind. If you feel the need to relax even more, you can repeat these 3 powerful breaths at any time. Breathing deeply and fully is helpful in any situation, but especially during difficult times in our lives. When you find stress is beginning to build in you, take a walk or gaze out the window into nature. If you cannot get to a place outdoors, you can simply imagine it. Let's imagine right now we are in a beautiful garden. So if you haven't already done so, close your eyes. And when you close your eyes, a wave of relaxation sweeps over you, and you see you are in a magnificent garden. There is a soft nature path through the garden that you begin to walk down. In this garden, there are so many exquisite plants producing the most beautiful flowers you have ever seen. The trees around you are tall and thriving. You take a deep breath in of this fresh air these plants are producing for you. Good. You haven't felt this nice in a very long time. It's beautiful here, and you feel very safe. Just enjoy being in your garden for a little while. You can always come back to this garden by simply remembering it, and allow the thought of nature to eliminate all of your stress. Whenever you are ready, return to the present moment and inhale a deep, refreshing breath. Open your eyes, feeling relaxed and ready to take on the day with clarity.